Hello friends, today's date is 31st January 2022 and today's video topic is OOPS in Java. So OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming, and in a Java it is everything it is an object. Then in a Java we can use the six operations that has a object, class, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. But we can mostly use the four types, and it is also known as the four pillars of in OOPS. That is the inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation and uh, uh, polymorphism. So we can see the one by one. First, we have to see uh, object in a Java. Everything is an object, but the entity type that has a state and behavior, it is known as an object. For example, chair, pen, table, books, laptop, keyboard, mouse, etc. And object can be perform a logical or physical. Uh, physical. Then object can be defined as the instance of the class, and object it is the hold the address and the task of task up to the some space in a memory. Now we can see the class. Class is a logical entity, and we can declare the class by using the class keyword. Then we can see the interface. Inheritance. Inheritance means it acquires all the properties and behaviors of the object. It is known as the inheritance. In inheritance, there are five types, but in a Java, we can use the only three types. The five types of the inheritance, that is the single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. But in a Java, the multiple inheritance and hierarchical inheritance are not used. By using the interface, we can achieve the multiple inheritance. Single inheritance, it means it acquires all the properties of the parent class and parent class. It is known as the single inheritance. Then multiple inheritance, it acquires the properties of the uh, parent class, and it is any inheritance. We can use the extend keywords to inherit the class, and multiple inheritance is only achieved by using the abstraction and interface. This is all about the inheritance. Now we can see the abstraction. Abstraction means it is used for the hiding the data to the users and showing only the essential features. That is showing the only essential features to the user. For example, phone calls. We don't know how the internal process of the phone calls. And another example of the abstraction is sending the email. We can send the email, but we don't know what is the process of the behind. Abstraction, in abstraction, we can use the only abstract methods, and without a body. Then it is known as in without a body, it is used in the abstractions. Then now we can see the uh, So abstraction is achieved for we can by using the interface we can achieve the 100% abstractions. And now we can see the encapsulation. Encapsulation means it is wrapping the data or code, wrapping the data or code. And for example, capsule. Capsule is a mixture of the several medicines, and it is wrapped on the capsules. So encapsulation means wrapping the code or data. So now we can see the last one, inheritance, that is the polymorphism. Polymorphism means we can perform the one task in a different ways. Suppose for example, drawing the drawing, then we can draw the circles, rectangles, also uh, any shapes, that is we can drawing in the polymorphism. And in a polymorphism there has two types, that is method overloading and method overriding. Also in a OOPS we can use the coupling, cohesions, then aggregation, associations. It is used in the, it is also used in the object oriented programming language. So basically object oriented programming, it is the most important concept of concept of the Java. So it's all about the information of the object oriented programming in Java. Thank you so much.